welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but my eyebrows weren't done, so I didn't feel like making a video. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. This curl is like in my face. Okay, this has been a special request from one of my coworkers. She has seen my videos with food and was
like, hey, do you want to try more food?
I was like, sure.
So she got me a whole bag, a whole bunch of healthy snacks. So to start, the first one says the original sea snack. Strangely addictive. Highly doubt that, but we'll see. So. What is this? This is roasted seaweed snack. You got me. I think my best friend likes these. Just run away. Next, grass-fed beef stick. Why did I agree to this?
Do it for you guys. I do it all for you.
I didn't like beef or sticks. Oh, what the F? Alright. This reminds me of beef jerky. Not beef jerky. Yeah, like Slim Jims. Did I just eat the plastic? I think I did. Tastes weird. It's not bad. Here's another one, but this one is different. It's like it's a different color, so this one's like lighter. This one looks more like a Slim Jim. Oh, see? Alright, so I like bananas. I like coconut, but it says no sugar added. It says it's paleo, I don't know how to pronounce it, paleo, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free. Oh man. This looks like a dookie. This looks like a clump of dookie. I don't want to eat dookie. This just doesn't look appetizing. This is why it's healthy. Ever mixed bananas and no. Grain-free paleo puffs. Another paleo. This looks like the ones that you give the babies. You know, the ones that have you know. You better give this a thumbs up because I'm doing this for you. It smells like feet. No cheesiness. Good because I'm lactose. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay. A flax bar. all natural chocolate. Gluten-free, soy-free, lactose-free, no refined sugar, trans fat, very low sodium. 198 calories per bar. Natural vegan. Props to all you vegans because I can't do it. This is how it looks. Yo, the bathroom's going to love me tonight. Tonight. None of these have been good so far. None. Honey roasted sunflower, whatever. Full protein and nut free. That's for me, no nuts. Oh, I think I like these. Just like little, oh shit, this is hard to do. Little seeds. These are good. These are bomb. I like those. Peanut butter energy bar. Oh my god. Ow. It smells good. Not bad. Not bad though, but I can't eat a whole bar of this. Oh, that aftertaste. Girl, Sorry that I need to learn how to do more eye contact with you guys. Talk to you guys. Be right here. Alright. Lemon snackaroo. Snackaroon. So this is another grab and go coconut snacks. They messing up the what is this? It's like you can't even it's like that's what it looks like. That's what it like what is this? Ooh, weird. What's next? Gonna probably give me the shits or something. Because coffee and I don't go well together. And it's close to getting time for me to go to sleep and nah. Just these three are left. Which one should I know? This one. Alright. Popcorners. The crunchy and wholesome popcorn snack. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag don't want to be sponsored. Hashtag if you want to send me free stuff then go ahead, but hashtag not sponsored. Why are you sweet? I didn't read it. Sweet and salty kettle corn. That was unexpected. An unexpected burst in my mouth of taste. Got perverts. Oh yeah, thank you now. Okay. I don't know why I went for second one. Mini twist salted caramel. I'm not a fan of pretzels like that. Guys, my stomach is already like, okay. They look normal. They look normal. These are good. My mom would love these and appreciate these way more than me. I'm gonna leave it for her. Last but not least, Peanut butter crunch. Best bar ever. Yeah, we'll see. Oh my god, why does it look like this? Why does it look like this? It looks like mierda. Can you guys stop making your products looking like this? Because this doesn't look good. And it's like, There's no crunch to this peanut butter crunch. There's no crunch. No crunch at all. Alright. If this was boring, I'm sorry, you guys. It was a special request, so I did what I did. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more videos coming soon. If you have any more ideas that it doesn't require me eating nasty stuff, I will appreciate it. But make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 100 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday's in August. So please, guys, share this in your social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever it is. If you support me and you're a subscriber, please share with all your friends. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!